Hey beauties, today I will be creating this hibiscus to our nail, perfect for someone who likes timeless, elegant and full of love. If you like this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such creative nails. Place 3 dots in a curved way. Place 2 dots near each other. Watch these steps carefully and if you have any doubts, don't forget to ask. I have chosen red for complementing the white color. This nail art may look hard, but it's the most easiest nail art ever. Touch the white color downwards for giving that shaded effect. You have to do this step immediately you have applied the dots. If you feel that your dots have been dried, then take some little amount of nail polish in the brush and smudge it. We can do this design on short nails also. It will look perfect because style has no limit. Here in this video I am drawing white hibiscus, so I have chosen red color as the base coat. If you want to apply light shade or nude shade as the base coat, then you have to make sure you use darker shades. You guys may think, why should we bother about the color combination? My middle finger is the best example. As you can see, nothing is visible in this. Maybe in the camera it is visible, but in real life it's not visible. I hope you guys have understood what I meant. If you have any doubts, don't forget to ask. Patience is the key for clean nails. We can use basic tools like dotting tool or toothpick, or even a safety pin will work. If you don't have brushes, then we can create it. If you want to know how we can create a nail brush, say in the comments. My next video will be that. You don't need professional tools or salon experience, just enjoy the process. We'll be doing the same steps on the thumb. Nail art does not have to be perfect. Small imperfection actually add charm to our handmade designs. Work gently and clean your tools between colors to keep the design neat. I hope you guys have enjoyed this hibiscus nail art tutorial and find it easy and relaxing to follow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a support to my channel. Changed that color and made it black. I think black and white is the most beautiful combination ever. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art tutorial and creative ideas. Let me know in the comments which nail art design should I try next.